Hey, what up everyone? Welcome to Next Big Thing. This is Harlem. Today we're gonna learn about Linux commands. I'm gonna start a new playlist series for Linux command. This series of Linux command is specifically targeted for Hadoop audience, aka Hadoopists or Hadoopers, whatever you wanna call them. This playlist is for folks who are interested in Hadoop and wanna learn commands to make their life easy while dealing with Hadoop commands. So I'm gonna cover all the basics of Linux command. If you're here to become Linux administrator and you know basics of Linux commands already, this is not the ideal playlist for you. Okay, so for all the new user, no voice newbies, we're gonna start it from the scratch. In this playlist of Linux command, we're not gonna use your terminal and not gonna install any Linux virtual machine or via VMware, VirtualBox, virtual machine, etc. What you can do in order to get started is come to Google search and type Google Cloud Platform. Okay. Um, since I've visited this link so many times, you could see that last visited just now. You might not see Google Cloud on your first 2-3 links of advertisements. Make sure you don't click on that, even though it would take you to the same page, but I would rather not suggest you to do that. If you don't have the account, you need to create the account. So if you click on the Google Cloud, that link, which would be cloud.google.com, if you have the account, you would see go to console button. If you don't have the account, you would see try it free. So creating you need to create the account, and creating account on Google Cloud is the easiest thing that you'd ever do. Go ahead, fill up the form with all the details, and one more thing, it would require debit credit card for verification purpose. Google will deduct $1 or equivalent amount if you're outside of the United States as a part of verification process, but don't worry about it. Your amount will be refunded within 2 hours or so. If you don't want to use Google Cloud Shell at all and rather learn Linux command in terminal, you are free to do so. But for Windows user, you might need to install and run Linux virtual machine through VirtualBox or VMware Workstation. But creating account on Google Cloud, I would highly recommend you to do that. If you are here not just to learn Linux but big data, that's Hadoop and cloud computing as well. Creating account on Google Cloud not just help you with the Hadoop and cloud computing, but it'll also save your resources which you would otherwise give it to your virtual machine. Once you have created your account, or click on go to console, just as I'm going to do it, this one, you would end up seeing a screen similar to this one. This screen called Google's dashboard. Here all the cloud products, services, and tracker and everything is there. Since this is not a tutorial for cloud computing or Hadoop, so I'm not going to cover any of computing part or products. What we can do is come to this little bad boy and click on this activate Google Cloud Shell. As soon as you click on the Google Cloud Shell, it will provision the cloud machine to you. And what you can do is click on this open new window, and it would take about a minute or so to have your Cloud Shell up and running. Since I've already have this configured and set up in order to save the time, this would look similar like this. So if you want to use a terminal, if you're on Linux or Mac OS, you can use your terminal. If you're on Windows, you need to go through that virtual machine process. So I would really recommend you to do that. Please go ahead and do it. In this tutorial, this much. In the next tutorial, we're gonna start with the Linux commands. I hope you liked it and you have created your account on Google already. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.